Gmail crashes, the studio's battle over video on demand, and Obama's plans to text you big news. These stories and more next on Get the Daily. Hi everyone, I'm Dana Ward from GetTheDaily.com with your tech update. The entire Gmail service crashed in the middle of Monday, making it impossible for users of Google's popular email service to log into their accounts, send or receive messages, or chat through Gtalk. The Gmail problem became a hot topic of discussion on Twitter as users of the microblogging site wrote about 100 messages a minute about the service crash. Google quickly fixed the problem and released a statement saying they would run a full system review. Turning to Hollywood, the 5 major studios are fighting over day-and-date video on demand. Time Warner and Sony, who both have strong distribution channels in place, want to make the movies available on demand the same day that they are released on DVD. However, Viacom, Disney, and News Corp are not convinced, fearing that releasing VOD movies day and date will cut into DVD sales, which can make 40% or more of a movie's revenue. OMG, you won't believe who Barack picked as VP. Democratic presidential nominee Barack Obama said that he will announce his running mate through email and text message on or just before August 25th. Most people think Obama's campaign has used the internet more effectively than any other politician in history, and his email and text plan is just the latest example of his modern running tactics. And in this technical age, even war has gone digital. While Russian troops continue to roll across the borders of Georgia, the smaller country is accusing Russia of using cyber warfare. Georgia claims that Russia has disabled many of their important websites, including the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, using a technique called a distributed denial of service attack. The attacks are designed to make websites unreachable and are usually carried out by using hundreds or even thousands of personal computers, which makes tracking who is behind the attack nearly impossible. And looking towards Wall Street, media player IAC said that they will spin off their 5 companies later in August. The SEC said August 12th will be the first day that when issued trading will begin for the 5 spun-off companies, including HSN, Interval Leisure Group, Ticketmaster, Tree.com, and IAC, while regular trading will begin on August 21st. That's all the tech news for the day. I'm Dana Ward from GetTheDaily.com. Keep tuning in for the latest updates.